Today I will be showing you how charts and graphs through Excel. I've already in some information that we can use as a demo. It has the percentages and it also has a title which states students grade percentage for math for 25%. For the charts and graphs that I will be showing you, we will be using columns A and B 2 through 5. Column 1 has the title. So first you will go to Insert and go over to where it says recommended charts. And here I'm going to show you how to get the pie chart with the percentage. I have chosen the 2D pie. And as it loads here, you'll see at the top of the page, it has a home insert page layout. We first use insert. Another thing that is design. As you can see, it has design, and the design that I am going to choose is the design that shows the 25% in each column. And as you can see, I'm going to upload it large. It has math, English, science, and history. The only difference is it does not provide the chart title that you would have to enter in, and it's students grades percentage, and this is the pie chart. Now we are going to do a different chart. We're going to get rid of the pie chart and we're going back to insert, and it again shows you recommended charts. We're going to try the bar graph. We're going to do it in 3D this time. Comes up with design and format, and it has from columns A and B 2 through 5 the information in which you need. You can choose whichever design it is that you desire. This is how we can make charts and graphs through Excel. Thank you.